Hi everyone, this is Rajni. Welcome back to Quick Sip Insights. Today we are tackling key tech terms that you often hear in project meetings like API, front end, back end, encryption, databases, debugging. If you have been nodding along in meeting without fully knowing what they mean, this one's for you. Let's break it down quickly. First up, API, short for Application Programming Interface. it is like a it is like a bridge that lets different software applications talk to each other. Imagine you're ordering a food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter and they relay it to the kitchen. The waiter is like the API passing information back and forth between you and the kitchen. So when apps and the system need to share data, they often use an API. Next, we have front end and back end. The front end is everything that users see and interact with on a website or on an app like buttons, text, and images. The back end, on the other hand, is all the behind the scenes stuff like databases and servers that make the front end work. It's it's like a car. The front end is the dashboard and the back end is the engine that keeps it running. Now, encryption. This is the way of scrambling data so only authorized people can read it. Think of it like sending a letter in a locked box and only the receiver has the key. Encryption is vital for keeping data secure, especially in things like online banking and messaging apps. Next up, database. This is where data is stored, organized, and managed so you can access it easily. Picture it like a digital filing cabinet that holds customer information, sales records, or inventory lists in an organized way. Databases are backbone of many tech applications, keeping everything running smooth. And finally, debugging. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in code. Think of it like proofreading a document. You go through the code line by line to spot mistakes and make sure everything works as expected. Okay, so quick recap. API lets software communicate. Front end is what users see, while back end is what makes it work. Encryption keeps data secure. Database is where organized data lives. And debugging is fixing errors in code. So these basic terms will help you sound like a pro in any project meeting. I really hope this quick sip made tech terms a little bit clearer. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if there are other terms that you want me to explain. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next sip.